turning into a terrific latter part of the afternoon. We are seeing increasing sunshine, especially across the north half of the area. Still some clouds and a couple of showers across the south. That is a live look with your Kentucky One Health weather bug camera. That's located at the Kentucky Military History Museum in Frankfort. I wanted you to show you here, number one, the sun's out. Number two, you notice that the wires here are kind of dancing around. Look at the leaves going in the trees there. We've got a good breeze going. That's the Canadian air pouring in, and it's doing its job. Strongest showers in Clay County, just a little north of Manchester there. You've also got one just to the east of Somerset along the Parkway. Other than that, everything else is beginning to wind down. These are all working their way from northwest to southeast. A lot of folks didn't see much of anything out of that today. Tomorrow, with apologies to Neil Diamond, September morn. Nancy's not here. I'm allowed to sing. Saturday is our best rain chances. Next week, the Muggies return. I know you're looking forward to that. Today is the last day of the 86-degree normal high temperature, the average high. So we're already starting off on the cool side, but we start the downward trend tomorrow. But the temperatures actually go upward as we head toward the early part of next week. Taking a look at the mugginess out there, that's the dew point numbers. When these numbers get into the 50s, that's when life gets more comfortable. We're still seeing some mugginess right at the Tennessee line, but all that dry air is pushing in. That's dry Canadian air. It is refreshing. 76 in Frankfort and London, 75 in Somerset, 74 in Jackson, Moorhead 75. It is nice. 76 at the Bluegrass Airport. And talking about the wind, northwest sustained 16, gusting to 23. So we're moving the air around a little bit. 76 as warm as we have been all day today. All right, so let's go to our future track and our future satellite. We'll start you off tomorrow morning. Could be a little fog around in some places, but really sunshine is going to rule your day. Some high clouds out to our west. Don't worry about those. It is going to be a terrific afternoon. The reason? That Canadian high pressure. Now this high, which is Canadian in origin, thing is, it's on our weather map and it's going to be here for a while. So it's going to modify greatly as we head into the early part of next week. It's going to get to the Smokies and it's basically put the brakes on. And by that time, it will change its characteristics. But until then, enjoy the refreshment that comes down from the north, the low humidity, the mild temperatures, and the sunshine. That front out there is a warm front. That'll bring a chance of rain in here on Saturday. It will also introduce the changeover to the mugginess. Talking about the heat that's building, we're watching it come in as we head over toward Friday. The dark maroon that you see there, those are temperatures in the 80s. We get you into Saturday. What happens is the 90s begin to make their encroachment into western Kentucky. And eventually, I think they even get here. We're also tracking Hurricane Lane. It is on a path that will take it west of the islands of Hawaii, but still a lot of effects will be felt, including heavy rain. There will be strong winds, but again, the worst of the hurricane will stay out over the water. For tonight, clearing cool, patchy fog. Mid-50s, the winds will die down considerably. A wonderfully seasonably cool day with low humidity tomorrow. We're in the upper 70s. Look at those nighttime lows in the 50s. Looks good for Thursday Night Live. Tomorrow night looks good for Lakeside Live Friday night. Saturday, there is a chance of thunderstorms, and after that, hot and humid.
Oh, well, that's fine. I'm down with the humidity as long as we don't have rain and we can actually enjoy getting outside the last few days of summer.
It's the last bits of meteorological summer right there.
That's it. All right, Bill. Thank you so much.